Hello YouTube. Hey, so I've noticed a lot of views, in particular with my IBC showers. So looking like a lot of you are quite interested in these and how they work, especially you off-gridders that I can't make one for. So I thought I'd share a little bit of a secret to help those who are going to do it by themselves. It's quite a bit of a game changer, and I'm sure it's going to help everyone. You've probably seen how that I join these, but how do I actually do it? Well, I use one of these. Okay, it's like a blowtorch. Okay, you use it for heating your coals for your barbecue, and pretty much as I put it underneath there like that, and I heat it without actually touching it. And when this will turn clear, as it starts to turn clear, that's when it's malleable enough to stick it to one another. You want to clean it. You want to clean all the dust and stuff off from doing the cut, and then you just basically get two pieces of timber. I use a timber and a trowel, and then I just sort of knit it together. If you look here, you can see here where I've sort of knitted it together, and then here where that big cutout normally is I made this longer, mounted the heck out of it, and then stretched it down so that's all nice and perfectly sealed. Alright, so then once that's done, the metal bar goes in here and fixes to this and pulls this all back and makes this all nice and solid, and then my shelf attaches to that bar, and then little angles go in underneath that shelf over this, creating support, and that's how I do my whole shelf. It does take a lot of work, but if you take the time, it's actually quite simple. And then the bottom is fairly simple, it's just a scribed thing. But yeah, next video I will show you how I do the doors. They're quite tricky, but yeah, these are really fun. I've sold my first one, and this is the second one that's currently being built. It is taking a little bit longer than normal, but hey, that's just what happens, life and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, this one will nearly be ready, and then I've got another 4 or 5 in the pipeline, because they are quite popular. So yeah, holler at me. I do deliver like North Island wide, for a fee, of course. But yeah, these are cool, man. I've had a lot of good response from them. The first one flew out the door just after Christmas, when no one has any money. I couldn't believe that it actually flew out the door that fast, but it did. And the guy's super stoked with it. But yeah, holler at me, and like, comment, subscribe, guys. I'm nearly at 1,000 subscribers. Like, if I get to 1,000 subscribers, that means I get to start making money off the YouTube. That means more videos. That means more cool stuff. Yeah, man, 4 years to get to there. Holy heck. If you guys can make it happen, you would be legendary. Let's do it. 1,000.